Ever wondered why some bugs seem to congregate in certain parts of a software program? Or why running the same tests repeatedly might not yield new defects? Welcome to our discussion on the principles of software testing. Let's dive into the principle of defect clustering. This principle states that a majority of the defects you find will be in a minority of your modules. It's like finding out that most of the mischievous kids in a school are in just a couple of classrooms. This could be because these modules are more complex or the coding within them is more intricate. It's a bit like the Pareto Principle, which suggests that 80% of your problems come from 20% of your modules. But beware, running the same tests over and over again won't help you uncover new defects. That's where the next principle comes into play: pesticide paradox. The pesticide paradox is a bit like using the same insecticide over and over again. Eventually, the pests become resistant, and the insecticide is no longer effective. This principle suggests that if you keep using the same tests, they will stop finding new bugs. The solution? Regularly review and refresh your test cases. Write new tests for different parts of the application. This way, you can find more bugs and improve the software. Next up, we have the principle that testing is context-dependent. This means that the way you test an e-commerce website will be different from how you test a commercial site. Every application has unique requirements, features, and functionalities. You'll need a variety of testing techniques, approaches, and methods. So remember, your testing should always consider the context of the application. Finally, we come to the absence of errors fallacy. Imagine you've tested an application thoroughly and found no bugs. Can you confidently say it's 99% bug-free? Not quite. What if you've tested against the wrong requirements? You might have identified and fixed flaws, but if the application doesn't meet the client's needs, it's still not fit for purpose. In summary, we've explored 4 software testing principles today: defect clustering, pesticide paradox, testing is context-dependent, and absence of errors fallacy. Keep these principles in mind as they're crucial for any quality assurance role, and they'll help you build better, more reliable software. Don't forget to download the testing material from the description below. Next time, we'll delve into the software development lifecycle, another key topic for testing. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to get notified when the next video is up. Until then, happy testing and goodbye.